Do you own zombie style knives? Well, pay attention and let me show you the zombie style knives and the zombie style machetes, which from the 24th of September 2024 will be banned for you to keep at home or to carry in public in England and Wales. A zombie style knife or a zombie style machete is a bladed article with the following common features. A plain cutting edge. B, a sharp pointed end, which is defined as having an angle between the edges which creates the point of less than 90 degrees. In this example, point 1 is a sharp point, but point 2 is not a sharp point, being more than 90 degrees. And C, a blade of over 8 inches in length, the length of the blade being the straight line distance from the top of the handle to the tip of the blade. But the definition doesn't stop there. To qualify as a zombie style knife or a zombie style machete, it must also have one or more of the following 4 features. Feature 1, the zombie style knife or zombie style machete has a serrated cutting edge, as you can see in this example of a 17.3 inch 44 centimeter desert style machete. This has a plain cutting edge, a sharp pointed end, a blade over 8 inches in length, a serrated cutting edge, and more than one hole in the blade. You also need to know a serrated cutting edge of up to 2 inches next to the handle doesn't count as a zombie style knife or a zombie style machete, as you can see in this example. And also fully serrated knives, which do not also have a section of a plain edge, as in this example, do not qualify as zombie style knives and zombie style machetes. Feature 2, the zombie style knife or zombie style machete has more than one hole in the blade, as you can see in this example of a 10.5 inch, 26.5 centimeter fantasy knife. This has a plain cutting edge, a sharp pointed end, a blade over 8 inches in length, a serrated cutting edge, and more than one hole in the blade. Remember, a zombie style knife or a zombie style machete doesn't need to have holes, as you can see in this example of a 9 inch 22.86 centimeter Rambo style knife, which would also be banned under the new law. This has a plain cutting edge, a sharp pointed end, a blade over 8 inches in length, and a serrated cutting edge, but no holes in the blade. Feature 3, the zombie style knife or zombie style machete has spikes. The term spikes hasn't been defined in law. And feature 4, the zombie style knife or zombie style machete has more than 2 sharp points in the blade, other than the cutting edge of the blade near the handle, as in this example, where the cutting edge ends nearest the handle of a knife. This forms an angle, sometimes called the heel of the blade. This should not be counted as a point for the purposes of the legislation. Now, the new offence will mean the possession of zombie style knives and zombie style machetes in private, that is your home, and public is a criminal offence. There are a couple of defences, so let me mention 3. 1, the weapon is an antique manufactured more than 100 years before the date that the offence is committed. 2, the possession of the weapon is for permitted activity, that is a historical enactment or a sporting activity, or for a religious reason during a Sikh ceremony, if relevant. And 3, the weapon is blunt within the definition of being legally blunt. The possession of a zombie style knife or a zombie style machete at home can carry a prison sentence of up to 1 year in prison. Please do seek legal advice if you're not sure about the knives in your home. Feel free to comment, follow, like, and share.